In this video, I'll be using PDQ Deploy to package and deploy Cyberduck. I'm starting this video from my GitHub page, and that's because there are a few bits of information here that I will be using for this video, and I will leave the URL in the description down below. Also, in the bottom of the page, you can find more of my videos that are related to this topic. For example, here you can find my Windows Server setup, and also here you can find my PDQ Deploy setup. And now I'll begin this video by downloading Cyberduck installation executable file, and for that I will use the link that I have here. That brings me to that Cyberduck download page. Here I will click on Cyberduck for Windows, and then I will go to my downloads folder. And now that I have my executable, I will right click on it, select copy, and then I will go to my VMware workstation where I have my Windows environment. Here I will open File Explorer because I will be placing the executable in a network share that is accessible to my users and computers. I will click here, I will enter my file server name, it's SRV02. Here I have this software share, I will go inside of it, and here I will create another folder called Cyberduck. I will go inside of that folder, and then I will move the executable here. And now that we have our executable here, we can start creating our package, and for that I will go to PDQ Deploy. I will right click on the packages, then I will select a new package. I will name the package Cyberduck. And now let's click on Steps, Install. Here we need to provide our executable, so I will click on this button right here. Then I will go to my file server, it's SRV02 once again. Inside of the software share, go to the Cyberduck folder and select the executable. And now we need to provide silent switches so that the installation happens silently. And for that I will go to my GitHub page. And here I have the silent switch, so I will click on this button right here to copy the value. Go back to VMware workstation and paste the value right here. And that's everything that we need to do for our package. Now let's save it by clicking on save. Let's close this window, select our package here. And now let's deploy it to client machines to see if this package is working. So let's click on deploy, deploy once. Now let's select our targets by selecting choose targets, Active Directory, computers. I will deploy it to my client 01 and client 02. I will click on this button right here, and the machines appeared here. So now let's click OK and deploy now. And now we need to wait a bit. And it seems that the deployment is over. We can see that it was successful on both of my clients. But let's double check by going to client 01. Now let's look for Cyberduck in start menu. Let's go here, all apps, and let's scroll down a bit. And here we see Cyberduck, so I will click on it. And it seems to be working just fine. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And see you in the next one.